Hello everyone, Tynker is back with another special selection of community highlights for this week. First up we have Kitty Force by Taco Tuesday. In their code we can see when I receive blocks, repeat blocks, animate blocks, and point and direction blocks as well. Fend off the ninjas and use your Kitty Force power. Next, we have Rescue 4 by Fire Breath. In Fire Breath's code, we see the when arrow pressed blocks for the movement of the character, when actor collides blocks, and when I receive blocks as well. Run through the perilous platform to rescue the captive. Here we have Wizard Runner by Wacky Wizard Knight. In their code we see forever blocks, some play sound blocks, when I receive blocks, and broadcast blocks too. Avoid the goblins and run for your life. Last but not least, we have Card Game War Proper by your number one PJO fanboy. In this awesome text coding game, this user created a simulated card game to play. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can code awesome projects like this on Tynker. See you next time!